In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use backup and change tracking features in Smartsheet so you can monitor edits and recover important information when needed. First, open the Smartsheet you want to review and make sure you're working in the correct sheet. To track changes to a specific cell, right-click the cell and select View Cell History. This will display a record of previous values, who made the changes, and when those changes occurred. If you need a broader view of activity across the sheet, open the Activity Log from the Sheet menu. The Activity Log provides a detailed timeline of actions, including edits, row changes, attachments, and other updates. You can use filters to narrow the results by user, date range, or activity type, making it easier to find the information you're looking for. If you discover an incorrect change, review the previous value in the cell history or activity log and manually restore the correct information. For additional protection, consider creating periodic backups by exporting your sheet or saving copies of important project data before major updates. Regularly reviewing change history and maintaining backups can help prevent data loss and make troubleshooting much easier when issues arise. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use backup and change tracking features in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.